I am Carmelis Rodriguez, your designated school official. This video explains how to apply for Curriculum Practical Training, or CPT. Step 1. Understand CPT requirements. CPT allows F-1 students to work off-campus in jobs related to their field of study. You must have completed 1 academic year, and the job must be for academic credit or an integral and required component of your program requirements. Step 2. Secure an internship or a job offer. Get a detailed offer letter, including job title, responsibilities, employer contact info, start and end dates, number of hours worked per week, or whether it is paid or unpaid. Step 3. Enroll in a CPT eligible course. Work with your academic advisor to identify the correct course or requirement. Step 4. Submit the CPT request form. You will need to submit your CPT request form online via the International Student Services Microsoft form located on our website. As part of the process, you will be required to upload your academic advisor's verification memo certifying that the CPT placement is a required and integral part of your degree requirement to graduate. So please ensure you secure this in advance. Step 5. Wait for approval before starting. You can only start working once your new I-20 with CPT approval has been issued to you. International Student Services will process your request and issue a new I-20 with the CPT approval on page 2 via your very email within 48 to 72 hours. It is important to apply early, at least 2 weeks before the estimated start date. Please remember, CPT must be authorized every semester and is employer specific. If you have any questions, please contact the International Student Services Office at isservices@berry.edu.